In my 31 years of working at Viking Label, I've had the privilege of working with some outstanding and dedicated staff. Our team of 55 employees are second to none, and I couldn't be prouder to work with them day in and day out. My name is Kim Larson. I am the president here at Viking Label. Viking Label was founded in 1965, started basically in a garage here at our Nisswa location. We consider ourselves to be a mid-size label converter with a small-size converter's appeal. Our customer base is the entire U.S. as well as Canada, and we primarily service food packaging industry. That has evolved now to automotive, health and beauty, food and beverage. I think what differentiates Viking Label is our ability to be flexible. We pride ourselves in the work we do, we pride ourselves in our customer base, and our strength is keeping you as a customer and building that relationship for a long time. When Viking first entered the digital market, we had essentially an entry-level roll-to-roll digital press. When the time came for us to upgrade, we did our due diligence in testing the multiple platforms that are out there, and at the end of the day, Domino rose to the top with their quality of print, their ease to use, and their service, along with our familiarity with CEI and their equipment.
My name is Steve Engen. I'm the CEO here at Viking Label, and I've been here for 30 years. When we started looking at the CEI BossJet, we were at a position where we wanted to take that next step to digital. The CEI BossJet just gave us that opportunity to run jobs in a single pass, to turn jobs fastly, and the sheer volume of work has significantly impacted our profits on that machine. It really was a win-win.
Hello, my name is Brian Trees. I'm the plant manager here at Viking Label, introducing the CEI BossJet powered by Domino. It all starts here with a 40-inch unwind, moving down into a dual-sided web cleaner. The web continues down into a Corona treater, up into our first UV flexo station, where we can do priming or printing. Travels on down to the Domino expanded gamut, 2 whites, 4-color process, orange and violet. Traveling down into the second and third UV print stations, where we can print additional varnishes, spot colors, or UV adhesive. Lamination can be applied at the same time. After that, we're going to die cut. We're going to go into a semi-rotary or full rotary. Traveling down into our waste windup, where labels will be stripped. Down into the final shear or cutting station. These 2 monitors here can control all functions on this press, so a single operator can run it.
The CEI BossJet powered by Domino has allowed us to enter markets that we would not previously have been able to enter. They've combined the digital components and the colors and the variable data with the flexo abilities to decorate, be it cold foil or tactile varnishing or pattern varnishing, and things like that are providing that shelf appeal that all brand owners are in search of. I really think it outperforms expectations.
When we first purchased the machine, we actually sent pre-press personnel and press operators down to the training and physically see the machine, touch it, feel it, operate it was a huge benefit for them. Just the service and support that we've had has been fantastic and a good partnership for us.
I would say that the Domino difference would be the service and the hands-on approach by Chuck Stone and the sales force. The service and the sales of Domino has been second to none, and I think they're the leaders in the UV inkjet world. When we first put the Domino BossJets on our floor, we weren't sure how we were going to put enough business on the Domino or move enough existing business to the Domino. Now today, we're ready for another one.
Thanks, Domino.
On behalf of Viking Label and our dedicated team of 55 employees, I want to say, thanks, Domino.